Hi everyone, good morning. It's breakfast time for us. Hope you are all having breakfast at this time. So let's have some coffee. This is my name. Flores is a gift from, it's a cup of love. What love does means? Coffee is love. Love is coffee. No, actually this is a gift from two person who are so close into my heart and into my mind. Shout out to Shalini and to Shafi if you are watching this. So, how was your 2 days of February 2025? Okay. So, I have again my sit sheet. Red pen. Matag maestra ni guys, no? So, I have to find Amara here. So, see. Hi, Amara. Say hi. Good morning. Can you wave? Hi, friends. Can you say hi, friends? Can you wave hi? Just say hi.
Hello.
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 Hello. Can you give a flying kiss? Ah, very good. See, we have a great start for today. So can you see it? Wash? Here, can you finish your... Oh, come here. Finish. Amara, can you pick up the rugs, the purple one? No, here, down. Oh, okay. Can you bring it to mommy? Give mommy, babe. Come here. So, we're just having breakfast, guys. Amara has her always favorite. It's an oatmeal. Napadali. Correct ba? Room service. Where is my breakfast? Where is my breakfast? Bring for a kiss. So, samtang liwat-liwat guys, we'll talk about top 10 impactful tips for the long distance relationship and how it will be impactful also with your mental health, no? So, yung hani siya ka-topic karon kay sumpay ni ang muhon ako na yung kasing-kasing. So, our connection actually is really not stable. Kung man sila vlog mo. Ayun lang ko to guys. Pero, nabigura. Pasensya. Nako'y bisita. Di ingo na to. Love, can you please turn off? It's too cold. Turn off. Or remove the electricity. Turn off, love, eh? Hello, friends. Hello. High five. High five. Give me two. Give me two. Hi. 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 Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I said a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Okay, guys. Sorry for the interruption. So, kung ano na ito, guys, kanang chika-chika galore. So, egg is a must, no? Mahaw ta, guys, kay
Lisot tamang pas mo. Yan ka. Sa side up. Before ko talk about the importance, let me finish having my breakfast para balik sila ka. Kaya hapon patol-patol sa ato ang istorya. Third, this is your share. Oh, what's in the egg, mommy? Yummy. So, ako rin siguro sa sobrang nilablab. Because once, guys, if Amarash is already full and you will force her to eat, one of her behavioral factor is she will throw it out like labog. Wait, ay na disturb ha si mamabram-bram ni mo diha. The next letter is letter A. A is an ant. An ant travels in a branch of a tree. An ant saw a fruit. It's an apple. And the ant is jumping on the apple and it falls out from the tree. So guys, I don't know who is watching now, but here's my top 10 impactful tips for long distance relationship and impactful tips also with your mental health. So without further ado, let's dive in. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional mental health or clinical and mental health expert, and I'm not an relationship expert. This is only from the books what I have read, talagang hilig-hilig tagbasa-basa guys ng mga love fictions, mga inana, and then mga about relationship, and then the main thing is about my personal experience. So this is what I'm sharing to you. I hope some of these tips or points can enlighten your mind. So I'm sorry for all the Bisaya ha. I was talk in sinaksak. So English and Bisaya ta. Because anyway, for all the English people, even some Arabs and other nationality, if you're watching this, there's a description down below. I type it down, from writing from here, I type it down there. So just take it. Now we have Google Translate, so you can just copy it and translate it in your language. So today is February 3. It's Monday. So it's another we'll talk about love and long distance relationship in general, and plus how it will affect your mental health. So first, distance is a challenge, not a defeat. Prioritize self-care. Stay strong. Remind yourself that love and patience always win. Isay na to ha. So unsa pa na kalayon siya, di jud na siya ang imuhang kanang, di jud na siya unsa bisa sa challenge kanang di na siya ang pinaka main factor nimo ba nga murag kahadlukan, no? Kay love, you alright? Ay. Kay ang pinaka main is to prioritize imong kaugalingon, kay how you will provide sama na siya, how you will provide a strong relationship or to your partner if you cannot even prioritize yourself, no? So as I said, distance is a challenge. Distance is a challenge, yes, but not a defeat, no? Prioritize self-care, kanya pagpakalig-on yun. So unahon nimo imong kagalingon, kanang sana stay strong, kanang may bisaya sa strong, no? Kanang pangusgan nimo imong kuan. So lahi ra man jud ang Bisaya og English, guys, no? So daghang mang Google meaning ang kanang sana if we will translate the Bisaya English to Bisaya sa pagkalig-on. So manay term og kuan, stay strong. So and kanang kanunay nimo pahinumduman imong kagalingon nga ang gugma o pasensya mao junay kanunay mo dao, guys. So kung taas kag pasensya maskin pag sa unsa nga kanang sa pa na siya, even if you are just starting to a new relationship, any kind of relationship generally, kung taas kag pasensya unya nakagugma sa imong kanang kaugalingon niya, if you love your work, even it's also applicable, no? But now we will talk about partner relationship ug kanang imong mental health. So kamo na lang sabot adto, guys, kay lahi rag pag-explain og in English og kanang Bisaya kay hatak ko naglibog. Bitaw, no? So anyway, so tanan ako pang suot dire, guys. Or lang gi-type din, ha. I type it down below. So kamo na lang sabot. So let's move on to the second tips. Your emotions are valid, no? So missing your partner is natural, but don't let loneliness consume you. Focus on love and growth. So kani, guys, tinuod yun ni siya, yeah, kanang emotionally murad jud kag maguol, no, nga layo imuhang kanang partner. Like for example, katong time nga ang akong ex, papa ni Amara, when he started to move to Maldives, and even not actually when we were together, guys, mura na pud mig long distance relationship, because when I was working in Sephora, we cannot see each other, and he was working in Watania Airways as a flight attendant. So either when he arrives home, I'm sleeping, or I'm the one who arrives home, he's already sleeping. So the good one of the thing that I really love him the most, kay siya tanan, guys, no? Siya tigluto, di man na siya mukaon og rice, so he doesn't eat kanang Filipino food. So he only eat kanang kuan ato ang yubab, no? Di bawal ba nila, so pero kaon siya diri, guys, ulit niya din. So what I mean to say is kanang at that time we already have a distance, murag wala lang na siya na recognize na kuan, but at that time love, oy no, what do you want? You want the ball? Yay. Not this, you will fall down on this. Mommy, we're gonna play with you with this one, okay? So, my daughter is like a rider now. With her bike. Napay precautionary measures, guys. With helmet pa na, ha? So, asara ba ta, oy? So, moto, what I'm saying is a long distance relationship, guys. Diha na to lang siya ng feel nga kanang mingo man day no nga kanang ito na lang usa nga when he moved to Maldives nga inigabot nimo nga ikaw naka imuha na tanan because for him namugod sila schedule na kanang standby anya duty na pod anya straight flight either they will go to Spain they will go to Jordan or different side lahang flight schedules. So when he moved when he was there I didn't feel the appreciation na nasa kanunay no. But he's the one who cooked for me. He's the one who cleaned the house. He's the one who even set up the bed, and even he's the one who prepared the food. Kay usually ilahang kanon man sa mga Tunisian is kana mga pasta and more on lamb or sheep, laham or mo na ilahang kanunay kanon or beef. And he doesn't like this much of chicken sa Kuwait kay kasagaran sa mga frozen items guys it will create for you skin kuan rashes no. So I will talk about this skincare also in my next episode. So this month is all about love, okay? So this list is already been listed, so I will not turn it in another page because as I told you in my previous videos that I have plans, you know. I make myself busy, especially if I have anxiety, guys. Whatever come to my mind, I always write it down. So, muna siya na one of the things also, your emotion is valid. But if sometimes it cannot share it out, and you don't have someone to share it out, I'm writing it down, no, because I am the person who doesn't want to hurt anyone's feelings. So, kaysa makapasakit kas uban niya or maybe if I will say something in a different tone and sometimes when you are in a state of anger or a heightened temper you didn't tend to say those words or unintentionally you hurt somebody, no. So for that especially in my case as a bipolar person, no, we have some phases that sometimes is uncontrollable. One of the things is that's why I have to maintain my Dipakot. It's a mood stabilizer because like handling a child, but especially Amara really irritates my ego, guys. Sometimes it will taas akong sungay. Pero I never kanang hit her. Ang akong pangbunalan, ang unlan, ang bungbong, mga bali na lang ning amo ang hanger, guys. Daghan ang mga baling hanger. Kay if you will try to, you know, kanang hanaan mo siya kanang silhig or kanang gungi or kahoy, siya na mahadlok, guys. Ligid-ligid pa na magsipa nagbump sayang kuan magsipa na siya self-harm. So enough for that. So, we're still stuck in tips number 2, no? So, taas-taas yun siya nga discussion, guys. No? So, yeah, your emotion, yes, really is valid. So, especially for the long-distance relationship, guys. Whatever you feel, say it to your partner. Even if you are, even manggani na, you are not in a long-distance relationship, but you are staying together, but you feel apart, matug mo isig pikas instead sa una you cuddle yourself, you hug yourself, no, not yourself, your partner. When the time na you feel a distant that something is wrong, you know, na lagot ka kay kaniya na di ka ganahan mag-istorya sa iyahan na kay gipungtan lagi ka sa gamay rang kuan na gamay rang just small reason, smaller na siya nga kanang topic, smaller na, come here, mommy. Dali. Dali. on. So let's move on, guys. Okay. So what I mentioned is your emotions are valid, okay? And mingaon ka sa imong partner, this is natural. And but don't let loneliness, guys, kay this is one of the cause kung mag-uul ka kay mingaw ka niya o niya, you didn't communicate with him or with her, or sa mga LGBT, no? So your partner, if you didn't communicate with them well, mo ni ang cause nga magka-anxiety ka, guys. And then if you didn't acknowledge that anxiety, kanang magka-insomnia dahil ka, magka-insomnia ka, di nakakatulog. So one of the magka-anxiety na ka, kuan na siya, ma-permanente na siya, guys. So you really need medication for that. So just to prevent all this kind of things, you really have to take an action on the spot. Either you have, as I mentioned earlier, in my previous video, kung nakay kuan istorya, voice message, message kay mas kingani sa mo ang pamilya, no? Kung nakoy ka ng kakuan kalagot, and I want everybody wants to hear my point, I share it in our group. So we have a family group also. So just to either they read it or not, if you will understand or not, it's up to them. But at least in my side, I already expressed that. So third one, communications. Communication is part of the therapy. So when you express your feeling, as I said, talk openly and don't bottle up emotions. Your well-being matters too. So it's not about na kanang when you express your feelings or inside mo batik, guys, is kanang nag-create na ka og pollutions or kanang you initiated a fight. No, it's not like that. Just make also the person understand na di po ka magsigit-sigit, no, di po ka magbanghag-banghag, no, nga unsa na naman pud ni ano pud na no mga kasagaran mga Bisaya kay tag mga tingog tong mga Bisaya, no. So sometimes we will be kanang nawitong magtapok mga basta magtapok ang mga Bisaya, guys. Samot na sa Kuwait, Bisaya ang kinasbaan, guys. Unya feeling sa ubang mga tao, we were fighting. Mga uy, yun sa naman na yung mga buhagay, musta naman kangawan naman tanang kita sukad sa una, no? So kanang mga yan ang history, guys, ba? So I don't know if you can relate that. So maybe people from abroad or other people from there na nawa pa yung mga klase-klase nga Bisaya, no? So just like for us in Bohol, we were known to say that ija-ija, aho-aho, no? Anja-anja, ija-ija. It's not about ija-ija. Yeah, there are some people, they are like that. This kind of mentality that very selfish in English, you know. They're just only thinking about themselves. There's nothing wrong about that, you know. Sometimes you have to really set limit to yourself. But excessively, if you are going to be so selfish, no, na kanang di na dyan mo kanang paano dyan ka kanang selfish na dyan ka ay mo na dyan tanan ako po na nimo tanan, so di na siya maayo, guys. So manginom sa tagkape kay gaog na natin tunan, no. Also, guys, drinking coffee has antioxidant, can make you younger. But don't drink it too excessively because it will cause palpitation o nervous. Sige na anak ko, rata na ka. No? Luksuan na kag-iring nga itumuan na. Ino na kang bakot. Guys. So, sorry. Love, this is very cold, Amara. Akong anak, oy nga gusto bugnaw kanunay gipait. Gion, ang electric pan. So, mo to guys, I hope you understand that communications therapy, ano? Kung pag-istorya lang jud sa tao, maskin pa on sa gibati mo bitaw na nga kanang maglunlay jud ka guys. Istorya lang jud na. So, why I'm doing this video is to spread awareness, not only for the people, especially from my family, especially to my relatives and other people who were thinking of me in a different way. So I don't want to this video. I don't want everyone just to say that I'm showing off. My main purpose is just to spread awareness and share my personal experiences because at first I was really hesitant. I was so afraid of everything, and I don't want to communicate with anyone even. How many times I have received calls, messages, following up, checking on me, and saying, how are you? How's things going? Are you fine? Is everything it's under control? And yeah. Kasi may ako ikatubag guys na I'm in a state na financially unstable. And I'm mentally still unstable, na I'm still taking medication and my brain is I'm in a state of mental fog. Mental fog is you don't have the clarity to think, there's a lot of thoughts in your mind na you cannot express even, or there are things that you really want to do, like you cannot even finish. So who's watching now? It's showing a slow connection again. So guys, I'm sorry I cannot see who is watching now. So whoever is watching in this live right at this time, it's already 7:40. No, it's 49K. 5 minutes man nga awahi akong kuan. Okay. So I'll just make to another point guys. I'll move on because I have some activities with Amara today because we stopped her therapy due to our financial challenges. So I'll be her mentor today because I'm not a professional in autism therapy, speech and pathologist or clinical pathologist, but somehow I'm starting to learn things about autism guys. It's really I'm going to share this to another next episode once I'll be really once my knowledge is complete kanang nabasahan na gyud nako sa tanan unya it really kana ra pong applicable nako what I focus on is for home parenting, especially for a single mother and jobless mom. You don't have any other sources of financial terms and this kind of fun. So just like helpful things, but it's I studied online and there is some charges for that. But the only good thing is you really don't need to do it at once. There is a flexible time that you can choose. So I once again, mommy, play only with the thread but not with the needle. Yay! See, this is very fun. I will teach you later how to use it, alright? So you can play with this one only. Yeah? Because we will do some activity for today for Amara guys. So since she like more on coloring, we were going to utilize something productive. Don't worry, we will be filming it out just for documentation and see her progress. Let's move on. So, tip number 4. Love should not uplift, not drain you. no? So ang gugma guys, mo nantay makakuan nimo murag mo na imong inspiration, di na mismo nga may mo na imuhang ka ng inspiration nga kanang makusgan ka, active ka, di na ingon nga makaluya nimo. Gugma ka pero nagluya kay naman ta kay uyab na kay kuan yung anong losyang ka ina no. So if the distance feels overwhelming, take deep breath, no? Practice mindfulness and trust the journey. No kanang sometimes manggod nga magsikag tingpik taw nga layo kay imong bana. Yeah. I know already that my husband before kanang doon na siya lucky guys because what we call each other manggod before at first we call each other tomato kay og kanang when you were working in a guest service as a guest service assistant there were so there makarelate jud ani mga call center no when you handle irate guests sometimes no matter how beautiful your voice are after the call when you drop the call you will say ana jud ka no nga what the f no ana jud ka what the f nya og ikaw Bisaya kay bao na kag unsay imo pang storya nya ag ubang mga kanang Arabic kay bao na sila unsay na pang storya so kami lahi ra budget ng kanang magkuan bitaw ka nga di bitaw mo kan kay once you will be working in as a call center guys even if you are so upset you should maintain that smile you know that's why if you will be working before wala may sa amin sa mo ang kuan sa mong cubicle but I always bring a mirror nga meron gud nga mirror nga ipapilit ra no sa akong atubangan mo tanaw ra gud ko sa akong dagway kung sa porma na ho kay sometimes you cannot how to say it di ni mo malikayan ba na you will also dwell into kanang sa imong kaistorya basig parehas na mong daw magbinangang ganyan mo ba so just to avoid that kind of thing you will do the mirroring effect so you will see yourself how you interact so when you say like for example clients are asking too much which is beyond the services the company or the hotel provided guys this is my alarm so just give me a minute I have to take my medication I'll bring my camera na lang kay sila vlog ijara ba na ko anon so ihara ba ning i-off kay mita sa ihang kokomelon or sa ihang Miss Rachel. So guys, this is the medicine, no? This is hindi pakot. May akong butang. So always do ko magbutang og alarm, guys. As a reminder for myself that di ko makalimot. So, napon mo sa long distance relationship and you are very busy na hectic ka ng hectic in hang schedules, no? Yun na siyang kanang ano na siya kanang color, guys. Ito sa ko na. Ano na siya color, guys. Akong balihon ha. Money. Dipakot. It's 500 ml. So, kamo na lay kuanan na inani ang color. May pagka light gray or blue. So, this is an awareness for everyone. So, mental health really matters, guys. Para di mo magsipay at tambal. Pang maintenance sa sumpad sa inyong kinabuhi. Turn off the light para save ang energy. So, where are we? Mata sa 4, no? Love should uplift, not drain, or distance feels overwhelming. Oh, mana. Kibo na mo na guys, kung ginhawara mo, kung kanang kuan na mo sana. Kanang sa kalagot ninyo guys. Count 1 to 10 before ka mo response. Kanang ay pinapaspas ng 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Kanang 1 2. Ano ba yung feeling yung wala dyan ka na imong inhale o exhale dyan tanan para magawas na dyan imahang tension sa imong lawas guys. That's part of kanang how to handle kanang stressful situation. Yeah. Kanang mang-grip before what I do is instead of saying something really bad or bad words will come out to my mouth, I always like or I will pinch myself. No, I will pinch myself that I will not say anything. Pero ay pasikitin niyo ang kagalingon guys, pero ang ako lang to is just to control myself. Ana kong dito. Para wag kabuhi ba. Ana na ho nga control. Okay. Moala lang po sila. Ano sa ikaw wag kabuhi ako. Ano kay ngana bitaw mo pa at least it will kanang imhang hands guys, there is also functions for that. When you do a massage in your palm, just to give you a relax, you know. I mean, mas bigay na yan kung tugnaw na kay gawas, mamay mong buhaton dito. So, it also gives something, and then even this thing has also a benefit in your brain, no? So, I'm not a expert of mental and something like that, but there are some benefits you can do if other tips or tricks how you will handle a stressful situation, no? Like if you feel really overwhelming. So, tip number 5. Taas-taas ng story, ano? Kanimbuting naman kung kuan. So, strong relationship starts with a healthy mind. Muna guys, kung buring kuntong ugutok imong partner guys, breakin tong pud inyong relationship. So, take break, find joy in your personal growth, and let love be a source of strength, not stress. Okay. Kung tahay guys, inyong gipili inyong relationship kay guwapo siya or guwapa siya, or because you stayed in a relationship for too long, and sayangan mo sa inyong years. But if that relationship doesn't serve you kanang a good mind or good health, think about it guys, no? Kanang go in a quiet place, maybe walk in a nature, pag kuan ka nang sana, pag inusara sa maski kadyot lang, pag hinuktok og kadyot, no? Ug sa Bisaya pa, pag hinuktok, reflect, is this person really for me, or our relationship is really going well? Because if that thing, then you really need to seek for a kind professional advice, an expert. You will do a counseling. Like if you are parents, you are no, I'm not as I said, no, because I read so many things about like love and long distance relationship, and sa panadiha nga mga kanang magbasa-basa pag mga libro guys nung kuan kitaan pa ninyo mong divided rin na daghang mga kuan din napad to speak as balay na mo. We have also a lot of books, and most of that books are mix, but mainly that books are all about laws and attractions and how to attract people, how to talk to people, and then how to read people mind. So inana siya nga kuan how effective habits for highly motivated people. Inana no. So yan na tatagsa ano na to discuss guys. So for that, I'm also planning to sell my online books kay siyempre to palit-palit lang sa Amazon no. So but for now I'm not into marketing. I'm just sharing these things because as I mentioned, my priority is my child's education first. So I have also those kids materials because I was working as a freelance, creating some templates and like materials for fun, mga simple ra good guys, but it's just simple activities. So I'll be setting up my Canon printer so I can start to teach Amara. I will make the visuals, but for now we will do something today. I want to make for her like some activities that she likes because I noticed for her she likes more on coloring. Okay, tanan akong makeup guys, bungkag na niya. So thank you. Kinata ka-afford sa mga makeup sa Sephora. So I cannot blame her, I cannot hate her. She's my love of my life. I asked her from Santo Niño, mo nang dagway niya murag Santo Niña, kulot-kulot ang buhok. So let's move on guys. So motto ang inyong relationship should is make it nga kanang motivational na doesn't cost you stress. Okay, kung stress na kasi inyong kuan, wa na may gugma, wa na may feeling ninyo, it doesn't work out. Talk to each other. Yeah, kung di na dyan madag talk to each other. There's no relationship. There's no perfect relationship. But it's only between you guys to make it possible and make it perfect. No? Because now in social media nowadays, you will see holding hands, kissing each other, kung sa pa na din ang mga love kuan, but in reality, it's the virtual world and the reality world doesn't collide. So what I can say is even our families, our parents, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your relatives, they have different perspective of mind. They have different mindset. So you have to look also in different ways why this person think in that way. So don't put yourself in their level, put yourself the level of your thinking in a different scope. So think outside the box. Don't think about how they are treating you, because in this world, one of the causes of stress is the comparison and the comparison, especially as a relationship. Sometimes they will compare to you, even if you are already a couple. They will say to you, si kuan gani, nani niya ilhang kuan, for example, like I will give you a scenario, guys. For those people who doesn't conceive baby, it was really stressing for me that in Jumeirah I was the first one who get married, and then after I was married November 2013. It was November 2024, and we get married, and everyone was surprised. Even us, we are so surprised that we get married, because one of the reasons that we went to the court is just to inquire how to process to get how to get married in Kuwait. But one of the thing is, if you will be in the Middle East, you're not allowed I mean, you are not allowed to be each other as a couple. Kung wala may marriage contract. So if you doesn't have any marriage contract, then there is tendencies na dakpon jud mas police guys, no? Because you don't have a license or a marriage license. So just to legalize, we inquire for that, and all we have been through a lot of different courts, but most of the courts, the first question they will ask is, "Are you a Muslim?" So when I say no, I'm not a Muslim, they just don't entertain us. So we go to other court, jumping to another court, and then to another court, and then finally we went to Bigay, and it was by luck or a God's plan that we just get married on the spot. No, we went there just for inquiry, and then the person in the reception was nice, and she was saying that you just have to wait from this office, and then we see a lot of people waiting outside, and then not only me and him, there are also like Filipinos and other nationalities, and the most thing why we get married because of that Kuwaiti guy who get married to a Filipina. So I now forget their name. I don't remember even their name. So what happened actually, guys, was there is a cut-off for the marriage in court in Kuwait. So the marriage there is every Sunday and every Wednesday. So if you submitted your requirements and you haven't get your marriage on the same day, you have to process it all over again. So you have to start from the step 1. Napod, balik na pud ka. So even it's not the time or cut off time, the assistant of the lawyer already say, or the kanang mo pakasal, no, say lawyer lagi na imshi barra means go outside, ada kalas kanang isa na ay di lang ko mag-Arabic guys kay mga di mo kasabot kay hasta ko maglibog na Arabic kay dugay-dugay na. So when they say no, it's time, it's already time, and you can go outside now, or like his boss will not entertain anybody, but this Kuwaiti guy will never accept no. So what he did, he said, he talked to my husband, and he talked to us, and the Filipina also was talking to me, and they were saying that Filipina actually was working with them since long time, long time ago. She's the one who take care of all the kids of that guy, and then just to make their relationship informal, so this guy get married to the Filipina, just to legalize, because she's been treated as a mother already for all the kids, so which is also one of the good thing if you have kanang makaamo kag maayong batasan, no, nya. The lady also, she is also totally kanang wa pud siya partner in life, kaya tungod lagi anang domestic helper siya. So naniguwang na lang siya sa Kuwait, guys, nga wa pud siya anak, wa pud siya bana. So ang ihang anak-anak katong ihang anak siyang amo, then mo na bana ni ihang amo. So to make the story short, this guy, he didn't accept rejection or say no. What he did, he blocked the way of the elevator. Kaya usa ra may elevator dito, guys, padung sa kauna-og kaysa maghagdan siya. Ang iyang asawa nag-atang sa hagdanan niya. Ang katong laki, gatang siya sa kanang elevator. And siya, no, you will not go until you will make me married today. I want to get married today. I will not go out I'm already old, and this is not this is not just a play relationship. This is a serious relationship, and I want to get married today. Why mahimo ang judge? Gipasud bitanan kanang gipasud siya niya ana di siya, no, not only me, yalla come tali siya pasud bitanan dito niya mo to atuban niya mo na ko na kuan to guys, I was in a moment of kanang kasabot sa ilang mga istorya ka pulos mga mga Arabic. Even how to say yes, I don't know in Arabic, because in hotels we speak English, and even in a guest service executive or guest service assistant in the telephone operator, we speak English. And then if your guest is Arabic, and they definitely say no, I want to talk to someone who can speak Arabic or who can speak this dialect, because my husband, and the father of Amara, he speak different language. He's he speak German, French, Arabic, Spanish, basta kailangan siya kamuan, guys. But the only different thing that challenges us is the Kuwaiti Arabic and French Arabic is totally different. So he somehow doesn't understand what they were talking about. So that's why he was trying to understand also. So when the situation came, we came inside the courtroom, and then all of us were there, and then they mentioned, what's your name? 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 Okay. And then they just say in sa English pa, like, the ceremony is done, and now I pronounce you husband and wife. Yeah. Af mabruk. Like, congratulations. Mga to, guys. Pag mapirma namin nga, pagpirmahan plus man to Arabic ko, kasabot, guys. Mga na dito ang marriage contract, guys. So, mga to ang ending. Pag-abot na mo dito. Okay. Hapit may diretso sa HR. Among giingnan niya, nami ko ang marriage contract. Mga to, nakasal, o dali, niya, sila pa nalipay, hataga din may kanang couple accommodation, no, na what is the good thing for working in a hotel, especially in Jumeirah, guys. They provide you a fully furnished room, even for the individual staff. Para katanan dito na nakay plato, baso, tanan mo na jud kay dadon, guys. Emo nang dadon, no? Emo ra jud shampoo ug sabon ug toothpaste. Even that also they provide us when we came, because when we're pre-opening, they provide everything, guys. It's ready, like just like a hotel, you know, everything is there, plancha, kettle, everything. Imuha na lang is imuhang sanina kay they provide even the pillow and the bed sheets, everything, you know. So ako lagi pud sa una nga first time pa mag abroad, daghan kay kung ipangdaw mga sachet nga shampoo, guys, no, kay naghunahuna ka nga mahal ba yung shampoo sa gawas, kay equivalent sa Kuwaiti dinar to piso is different. So tas asa naman itong topic, no, it's about relationship. So that was my brief flashback. So muna siya, guys. Let's move on to the 6 tips. Distance teaches patience, but your happiness should never be on hold. You know? Chase your dreams, nurture your soul, and let love be a support and not a burden. So tinuod ni siya, guys, kay when me and Farouk were together, we share what we want, you know. I was also before tried to apply in one of the airways there. It was a really known airways. Apparently, yes, because he's the one who advised don't declare that you are married, because mostly in airlines, guys, they want single ladies to apply. So when I applied there, and then one of my friend, the Kuwaiti, you know, he's the one who drop me off to the place, and when I applied there, the thing is, the hiring manager has an interest on me. So he said, can we go out for coffee or something like that? And this is not healthy, guys. So don't fall into that. Uh, put things in a professional way. No, tell them that I, I just told them that I'm here for an opportunity to work in an airlines company, because I was work at that time I was working in Jumeirah, so I was just thinking if I can try to apply. Okay, gamay-gamay mo po guys. I meet the requirements. My height, my body BMI, my body mass index meets. Niya kamo ko malangoy, pero iniro nga langoy. But I love heights. I love adventure. I love this kind of things. So for sure in training I will survive, no? CPR na di pa kana mag so I was also like this kind of ideally na I wanted to be in a health and safety. So tourism actually is not only for hotels, it's a broad forest. So what I'm saying is you share your plans to your partner unsa imong gusto, what you really want to achieve in your life. So for us, mo nag-ingon po na mo guys nga ija aho pud mi sa una. What does it mean na ija aho mi sa akong partner before is kanang unsa ihang sweldo iya hara, unsa akong sweldo ako ara. But most of the time, because iya jud na ng expenses, kay he's the one who doesn't like the food in the hotel, so he loves to cook his own food. So unsa pag ipang shopping na mo dito sa kanang mall guys, ija hara jud ang kwarta, no? So, og unsa tay mga gusto pud akong pagwapa sa una, mao pud ako ara pud tong kwartang hanggat to, it's my personal use man. But he's the one, he is also very thoughtful guy. He bought for me a silver Pisces necklace, silverama. He's the one who bought for me puts pa, the Revlon, and even the Revlon nail set, the electronic one, and even the shaver before. And he was really thoughtful, he's an ideal, that I was dreaming of. But even though for that, still the relationship doesn't work out for both of us. As I mentioned that because of our daughter, we really have to take that decision to be divorced, para lang makatravel akong anak outside Kuwait. So let's move on to 7 tips. Your partner is part of your happiness, not your entire happiness. Okay? Build a fulfilling life outside the relationship to maintain emotional balance. Yes. This is one of the good thing for us guys, because we have really a freedom. First, I like for me, I have a friend there in Kuwait. He's a high profile person, and his brother is married to a sheikha, and she's one of the lawyer in Philippine Embassy in Kuwait. So that time, just to build the introduction and things, so I invited my husband and them into all your restaurant in Jumeirah, because this is like you are not dealing to just a normal friendship, just to introduce a person to someone else. So what I'm saying is, I have a freedom to go outside to friends, like going out with other people, and But I am no, but setting a limit, guys. You know, because me, I've been through with mixed nationality. You know, I was with one of that guy. He is also a CEO, and unfortunately, he passed away. And he was really, really a great person. He is a person who doesn't take any advantages for a lady. And also one of the thing, guys, if you are the one who, as a person, even doesn't matter which gender you are, if you're the first one who take the initiative na papansin ka, you want to get attracted to that person, for sure they will take advantage on you also. So manaog ka ng, for example, na term na a gold digger, you know, kay usually we will be in, labeled na awkward talaga apas aning bayhana, so sige, let's go. Now me, I set boundaries, and if they started to say like started to say na they like you or something like that, I started to say no, I'm a married person and this is the proof. Then I introduced them to them, and that's the thing. So what I'm saying, guys, is my hi love. Yes. Can I give you another paper? Because mommy is reading this one. So, and then you will sit next to me. Here, Amara. You sit there. Because we will be doing our homeschool. Here is the pen. So, sorry for that disturbance, guys. So, yes, it's ABCD. We started already to write down the ABCD. So, yes, I will just make it move on. So, what I'm saying is, provide freedom for each other, guys. Don't take a time only for you. I mean, take time for you also to go outside, and not only with your partner, you know. Take a break also, but inform him where are you going, and to whom you're going, and what time you will be coming back. Okay, open communication, guys, is a must also. A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Yay! Yes. A B C. Next time, won't you sing with me? Kiss mommy. You with me. Yay! So, guys, so nagtakantang po million he. So, let's move on. Yeah, we finished the tip number 6. The distance teaches the distance teaches patience, but your happiness should never be on hold. Your soul and chase your dreams, nurture your soul, and let your love be an. Marunong ako, anak, guys. Yeah, your partner is part of your happiness, not of all entire happiness. Number 7 na dito, guys, no? So, muna, guys, nga imuhang partner, party ra na po na siya sa imuhang kalipay. But not totally sa imuha yung overall happiness. So, take care of yourself also. Find freedom. The gawas nga, magkikuan po ganong wine-ups with your friends, talk about other things, and maybe you need some advice with your relationship. Nga din mo ma-share sa imuhang bana or imong asawa, no? So, mo na siya, number 8 na ta. So, mo na siya tanan, ang pinaka most important thing, guys, from the other top 7. No? Anxiety is real. But so is love, no? So, tinuod, kung unsa pud ka tinuod ng kanang love, guys, tinuod po ng anxiety. Sumpay na silang duha. So, if long distance triggers insecurity, practice gratitude, affirmations, and trust. You are enough, no? Kanang pagmatuod ba affirmation, pagmatuod nga kanang imong i-affirm nga gwapa ka in your unique way or gwapo ka in your unique way. Okay. Among tawagan sa kumbana sa una kay gwapo o gwapa man, so what means guapa is a girl with a positive attitude, and then why I call him guapo because he's a guy with a positive outlook. Yes, A, B, C, D. Give me your finger. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, inani so what's akong palangga? Sige lang guys, we are under process. We are under progress. So, kung ano naman dyan ay tayo nga ma-insecure ka, no, sa imong beauty, ma-insecure ka sa imong status in life, ma-insecure ka sa uban, you see other couples or something like that, don't be, you know? Your relationship is unique, lahi-lahi mo ka ng kuan, status in life, lahi-lahi mo og experiences, lahi mo og ka ng, ansana ka ng inyong, no, don't turn off. Kiss mommy. I'm almost done. So, muna guys, practice gratitude, kanang pasalamat ka nga naa kay partner in life. Kung wa man gani, ay kabala ka guys. Okay, for a single mom, also like me, it doesn't matter, you know? Even if you are single, in Sephora guys, we are not only selling makeup, we are selling overall kanang kuan. If you stay in US or UK, they are also selling adult things. Kaya bawa na mo ano sa iyong pasabot. So if you are lonely or if you are something na nag-alarm, huwag mo kay klase tab na may gibutan nito mag-ilis na minta kay pag-close yun. Yung mga klase sa buhay. Klase ta sa ako. So, mo na siya guys na kanang if you are single, you know, and you are also doesn't want to kanang expectation versus reality, doesn't want you to be if you're not really to that. So don't worry guys, there are a lot of ways to make yourself happy, no? So kay bao na mo ana kamo na lay kuan. And then nanata sa number 9. Yay! Let mommy read the hang gisot what derebe. Emotional burnout is not love. If distance feels too heavy, check in with yourself, set healthy boundaries, and seek for support. Wait, no, this is not a makeup, so don't write it in your face. So emotional burnout, guys. What I mean to say, if your partner is really manipulative, psychopath, for example, nga sunod-sunuran ra ka, under desire. So, set boundaries, no? Nga, di na ko nimo inainagnaon kay parehas ra tang tao. Parehas ra tang kuan dapat patas tang duha. So, waon tay magpalabaw, no? But in reality, guys, in any kind of kuan, parents man ka, mag-uyab man mo or ninyo man mo, asawa man mo or di na single man mo, di jud patas ang kinabuhi. So just think it in a kuan sad mindful ways na gatuyok ang kalibutan guys, no? So night times ka na ka sa taas, night times ka na ka sa ubos. So if you are in a down side, don't feel kuan kanang ay kaguol, no? Because there are things that it happens to you for a reason. So don't take it in a negative way. Take it in a positive way. That this lesson, what, for example now, what really God's want me to learn in this kind of situation. No? Like for now, this is a main challenge for me because we cannot send Amara to school. For me, this is an opportunity for me to get a hands-on experience to my own daughter. No? Na it's not only playing, but it's also learning na mamaestra na ko guys. So it's also like all-in-one job for me. So maski na ka sa balay, I'm full-time workaholic, no? So I mean, just divert your mindset to in a positive perspective, no? So just to avoid this emotional burnout. And other things, if you feel like your partner is really abusive, seek for support, guys, for guidance. And if really abusive, you cannot handle that because they are threatening you or something like that. Because naman yung mga relationship ngayon na guys, kabugbog sarado ka, no? So, mapabadyo man ang mga laki, pero bugbog sarado. So, 400, seek an advice, and you have a rights. Mapabai man kang mapalaki, you have a rights, no? Physical abuse, don't ever accept that. Emotional abuse, don't never accept that, no? Take it from me, I was being emotionally and physically abused. That's the reason I'm now been traumatized and having this bipolar disorder. And even my daughter has been also traumatized due to my experience working abroad, because she's been passing through different people with different parenting or handling kids, and she's been physically when I take her from the place where she stayed, there is a lot of kanang bunog guys. There is like a marks, no? So I'm not the one who noticed that. It was Saif and Bali they saw it, and they show me because she was staying with them at that time. Because at that moment when I came out from the hospital, I was still really robotic. I don't function well. So I cannot even carry my own daughter kay murag wa koy kusog lumoy kay akong lawas kanang tungod sa kakuan guys. So mo na mental health is very important, no? It's not only this is also applicable for people who are working. Don't let any a stressful toxic environment ruin your mental health, and even also ruin your relationship, because if you will be dwell too much in your work, then you don't have time with your family. And this is one of the reason na there is a break, there is a kanang magpuan mo sana manay one of the reason nga magbuwag mo na or mga bit. So mana time is important, trust, and no, most importantly mind, the mind, the spirit, and the soul and emotion should be aligned together, no? So ano tas pinaka-last guys, the last and not the least, love's strong, but mental health is stronger. So ano yung yung giingon ninyo guys na kung mas kusgan ang inyong gugma, mas kusgan ang kanang mental guys. Because have you ever feel na naisakit sa inyo ha? And if you focus on that pain, it really makes your mind or your body more painful. But if you divert that pain into something else, nga ayun ako na nadi na kay sakit o kiranda, it will eventually fade away. Not that much, but it will fade. Then, if that distance feels never sacrifice your well-being for a relationship. Okay, grow, heal, and love with balance. So mo na siya guys, kung di na dyan ninyo kaya, ayaw pagpakamartir. Okay, kung di na dyan makaya, there are lots of counseling and there are lot of kung di dyan siya para iimo guys, ayaw pugsa. So, kung di dyan ka mo usag-usa, because there are kanang kuan, sana pangayo po ni Lord, pray for it. Give me a sign, God. Is this a person really for me? If not, give me a sign. Give me a precautional sign na he or she is not for me. And then, help me out. How can I get out from this relationship, no? So, that's it, guys. It's been a long life, and now I have to take a priorities to my baby love. I hope this tips is helpful for you, and I have provided you an insightful information in Bisaya and in English. Sak lang tanong guys, kay atong viewers is kanang kuan man. So, sorry na lang sa mga Tagalog kay nahihirapan ako sa kalisod magtagalog day or doy. So, Bisaya lang jud, no? So, Bisaya og English ra jud. So, salamat sa pagtan-aw. Thank you for watching and wishing you all a healthy long distance relationship and healthy love life and especially your mental health, overall emotional, mental and health things, and may this year bring you a brighter and a stronger and lively love sa panadiha, and I wish you a million times I wish you or I wish sa naman na galit lagi kay si love na akong priority, no? So thank you guys for watching and taking a time for watching this video. And if this video is helpful for you, please leave a comment if what is the impactful tips that really helps you out, or what are the things that you really wants to work out. Just comment down below, no? So just thank you so much guys for your attention, and God bless you a million times back, and bye for now because I need to make my baby but now kasi nanood na gusto na siya maligo. Sige, bye, see you later. Kiss me. Bye bye. We'll take shower now. Bye bye.